Hello and welcome to London Car Alarm Company. Today we just fitted another Halo Mini on this really lovely Mercedes convertible C-Class 2019. How the system works, as soon as you actually open the door, you see you've got a double flash from the side lights. That means if I now put my foot on the brake and try and start it, you'll see my foot's on the brake. If I try and start it, it just won't start, okay? It just won't start. So every time the customer jumps in the vehicle now, without his foot on the brake, main ignition on, so tap, so you get your yellow lights on. So 1 or 2 taps, insert the code on here. We've done something very basic. I'm going to go tap, 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 tap. And on the last press, you're going to get the side light flash. So I'm going to go tap, 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 tap. There you go. You've just got one flash, foot on the brake, and start the vehicle. Really simple, really straightforward. Okay, as soon as I open the door, as I said, once again, 2 flashes, system's now armed. So if I try and start it, it just won't start. Okay, won't start. Also, if the customer wants to place this in valet mode, this is very simple. So main ignition on, insert your code, and on the last press, hold the button down. You get one flash to say it's disarmed, and then keep on holding for about 15 to 20 seconds, vehicle dependent, and then you'll get 5 flashes. So let's just do that now. So main ignition on, so you've got all your yellow lights on. Tap, 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 watch. One flash, keep on watching, keep on watching. Now, if you watch carefully, we're going to get about 5 flashes on this vehicle, and then the immobiliser will be in valet mode. So if you watch carefully, there you go. So if I now turn off the ignition now, sorry about that, open the door, no flash, foot on the brake, vehicle will just start. Watch carefully, vehicle will just start. Okay, once you get the vehicle back, to take it out of valet mode, just do exactly the same, but this time it won't give you a flash because it's in valet mode and it's covert. So let's just do that now. So start button on, make sure your yellow lights are on. So tap, 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 hold. Sure, I've got the timing right. So just keep on watching, keep on watching, keep on watching. Watch carefully. Shortly, there you go, one flash. Let's just open the door. System's now armed. Try and put my foot on the brake. It just won't start, okay? Won't start. So it needs a code. So finally now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to show you how to change the code. So basically main ignition on, past authorization, disarm the system first. Make sure we get the flash. And then tap the accelerator 10 times down with the ignition on after it's disarmed. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Confirmation for flash to say we're in the learn mode. So I'm just going this time, tap, 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 start button off. Code is now learnt. So let's just try and set it, test it now. Vehicle's armed, won't start, foot on the brake. If you watch, foot on the brake, vehicle won't start, okay? So this time, let's try the new code. So main ignition on, insert the new code. So 1, 2, 3, tap. There you go. We got our flash, vehicle started. Okay, really simple, really straightforward. Also, this has got a 5-digit override code on certain particular vehicles, 5 or 6-digit override, so should you forget the code or one of the buttons fall off. As I said, this is the Halo Mini. My name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company, fitted to Mercedes C-Class 2018/19 convertible. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.